In a bold move, former President Donald Trump declares acceptance of cryptocurrency for his presidential campaign donations. Trump's pro-crypto stance stands in a stark contrast to Biden's policies, signaling a shift in the political landscape. With a commitment to retain crypto businesses in the US, Trump aims to rally support from the crypto community, positioning himself as a champion for the industry in upcoming elections. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So here we are, starting off with breaking. European regulator considers allowing Bitcoin exposure to be added to $12 trillion market for UCITS. UCITS are almost 2x bigger than the US ETFs. New, Donald Trump says he will accept Bitcoin and crypto for campaign donations. Here you can see the graph of the Internet of Money and the Bitcoin comparison, how it was with Internet and how it is with the Bitcoin compared to the same years of the Internet development. And Bitcoin actually fast pacing and growing better than the Internet adoption, but we are still pretty early, and the big Bitcoin move is about just to start. US ETFs are buying 1,626 Bitcoins per day. MicroStrategy is buying 199 Bitcoin per day. Tether is buying 70 Bitcoin per day. There are only 450 Bitcoin mined per day. Total aggregated demand is likely 5 to 10x supply. Plan accordingly. Next up, Justin, the insurance giant MassMutual reports exposure to Bitcoin ETFs in a 13F filings. It's just getting started. Bitcoin's simple strategy: buy Bitcoins 500 days before halving, hold, do nothing, and sell 500 days after halving, and repeat once again. Every cohort is dumping bid, but Bitcoin refuses to go below 60k as this is completely bullish. US Senator responds to President Biden's veto threat against the legislation permitting regulated financial firms to custody Bitcoin and crypto, saying, "We will not allow the administration to regulate tools for financial freedom out of the existence." Trump says he is fine with crypto. This should be obvious to everyone already, since he literally created 2 NFT collections on Ethereum. So what Trump is not is pro-Bitcoin. But hey, at least he's pro-printing trillions of dollars and proud of operating warp speed, right? What do you think about this one? Justin, European Union Securities Authority is exploring adding Bitcoin and crypto exposure to the 12 trillion investment market. Europe is gearing up. Ukrainian ATMs now have 100 hryvnia limit, $2.5. You would better sign up for that military service. I hope my Ukrainian brothers converted all the money to Bitcoin and left the country by now. As well as over 10 million addresses now hold plus $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. This metric is arguably one of the best ways we have to track Bitcoin adoption. Donald Trump makes crypto play, will accept digital currency for campaign financing. Former president and Republican presidential candidate for the upcoming US presidential elections, Donald Trump has made several pro-crypto comments at a recent event, firmly establishing himself against the Biden's more strict crypto policies. Trump's declaration. Former US President Donald Trump has unveiled plans to accept cryptocurrency for his presidential campaign donations. Trump, who is currently running as the Republican candidate for the upcoming US presidential election in November 2024, made the announcement during a gathering with buyers of his Mugshot Edition NFTs. During the event, Trump addressed the attendees, confirming his intentions to accept cryptocurrency for campaign contributions. And in video clips uploaded by Frank DeGotts, notable NFT creator and influencer, Trump can be heard saying, "Can we donate to the Trump campaign using crypto? I believe the answer is yes." Commitment to retaining crypto businesses. Responding to concerns about the potential migration of crypto businesses from the US due to the regulatory hostility, Trump emphasized his commitment to keeping them within the country. He stated, "If crypto is moving out of the US because of hostility towards the crypto, well, we will stop it. We don't want that. If we are going to embrace it, we have to let them be here." Contrast with Biden administration. Trump's move to embrace cryptocurrency highlights a sharp contrast with the current administration led by President Joe Biden. During his address, Trump criticized Biden's understanding of cryptocurrency, claiming that Biden does not even know what it is. He directly appealed to the crypto community, urging them to support him, saying, "If you like crypto in any form, and it comes in a lot of different forms, if you are in favor of crypto, you better vote for Trump." Analyst perspectives. Financial analysts are now evaluating the potential impact of Trump's cryptocurrency stance on the market. A Standard Chartered, a global financial institution, suggested that a second Trump administration could benefit digital assets. Analyst Geoff Kendrick wrote, "In a scenario of the US fiscal dominance, we think Bitcoin would provide a good hedge against the de-dollarization and declining confidence in the US Treasury market." A strategic stance. Trump's decision to accept cryptocurrency for his campaign marks a significant shift in the intersection of politics and technological, as the Republican presidential candidate was not always a fan of cryptocurrency. In 2019, he unequivocally stated that his lack of support for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, asserting they lacked intrinsic value and were based on thin air. However, by embracing crypto, he not only adopts a new fundraising strategy, but also taps into a growing base of supporters within the crypto community. He is sending a pretty clear message across the board that supporting cryptocurrencies equates to supporting Trump. Bitcoin got candle coming. 220,000 price prediction could be next for Bitcoin. Amidst fluctuating market conditions, Bitcoin traded at $61,512 at a price time, marking a 1.4% decrease in the past 24 hours, but maintaining a 6.8% increase over the week. This period has not been without its challenges, as data from CoinGlass revealed that a past day alone saw the 61,419 traders liquidated, culminating in 133 million in total liquidations. This volatility underlines the fragile state of the market, and yet it doesn't dampen the spirits of some industry stalwarts. One notable voice, Max Keiser, vocal Bitcoin advocate and former financial journalist, has reiterated his bullish stance on Bitcoin's future. Keiser took to his X, formerly Twitter account, to share his belief that Bitcoin could soar to the 220,000 mark, a prediction he has consistently been pushing out over the years. This latest forecast is driven by what Keiser identifies as a crucial dynamic in the market, a demand shock mid supply shock scenario, indicating a tightening of Bitcoin supply at a time of increasing demand. A deep dive into Bitcoin's potential, Keiser pointed it to the decreasing Bitcoin supply on cryptocurrency exchanges, which he notes are hinting all-time lows, signaling a supply shortage incoming, as stated by X-user Vivek. This supply contraction paired with the growing demand forms the basis for Keiser's prediction on the gut candle on Bitcoin's chart, a dramatic price surge that could potentially elevate Bitcoin to the $220,000 level. As of recently, Bitcoin surged to capture this liquidity at the top, which suggests that the asset is seeking a potential continuation of the downtrend, indicating the bearish pressure ahead. So, looking at all the market's charts, basically we can understand that a price is for sure going up, but when, we still don't know. It might go down a little bit more and then push us upwards. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.